Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn your Lucidchart diagram into a PDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning your Lucidchart diagram into a PDF is very simple and can be done directly from within the Lucidchart platform. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the file or document that you want to turn into PDF. If you haven't already, just click the new button, go to Lucidchart, and create a blank document wherein you can turn that into a PDF later. Or you can simply create from template. In my case, I'm going to be opening this file. Once it's loaded, all I have to do is hover to the file section. In the upper left corner, you have the option to export it as a PDF. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section. If you're concerned about others making changes to your document, you can invite them to view and leave comment on your documents for free. Copy that, invite your people with the email, but if you don't want it, just click on maybe later. You would be forwarded to this workspace builder editor. All right. Now, in the file format, obviously we're choosing the PDF. You can choose from any of the following. Is it going to be a full canvas, crop to content? If you do that, you can also use the cropping factor. For example, I just wanted to export this kind of PDF right here. Click on crop. You have the option to include page fill if you wanted. And of course, the option here via the accessible PDF. If you do that, it would give you another option wherein you have the option for the accessibility settings. You can use the external image if you want, right here, or the user image. Now, you can also include the layers. If your diagram has layers, you can choose whether or not to include them in the exported PDF, all right? And then from here, all right, you can save and close. Now, the final time is going to be exporting the file into PDF. Now, let me tell you that PDFs are widely used and can be opened on almost any device, regardless of the operating system, without requiring specific software like Lucidchart. When you convert your diagram like this into a PDF, the recipient cannot accidentally modify your design, ensuring the integrity of your work. All right? PDFs maintain the layout and formatting of your diagram exactly as you design it, which makes your work look more polished and professional. A PDF file preserves your diagram's visual appeal, ensuring it's easy to read and present during meetings or reviews. All I have to do is click the download button right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.